Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and this video is about how to make miniature pies and cookies, different desserts for your miniature bakery. So whether you have a dollhouse or not, you can always start one of these. You can use a shoebox and make it a bakery. So this is what I've made so far, and I've been using different items like Desinix foot powder, glue, clay, a marker. You can use nail polish. You can use different colored toothpaste. So those are my items when it comes to decorating these little miniature desserts. So why don't we start with one here, and you'll be able to choose the dessert that you want us to make together. So in here I have a few right there, but why don't we start with this one here, this lemon one. So we're gonna do one of those together. Okay, so we're gonna take our yellow clay and we're gonna take a bottle cap. I have a whole bunch of those are really good because they serve as trays or plates, right? So we're going to make a circle like that, like a ball, flatten it on your hand. It's going to look like a coin, and then you're going to insert it into the cap like that, right? You can always take it out and it's already shaped, but I want to leave it in there. So this is what you have, right? And remember, we're making one of these, so this is going to be like a lemon cake or a lemon pie with mints on top. So now we need our green clay, but we need little bits. Okay, so we're going to make that a ball, little tiny ones. This is just to decorate the pie. Okay, so we made one similar to the one that I showed you. Okay, so we have two of those. That's how you make that. So why don't we make a different one now? Let's take, for example, this one. See this green one? Looks like a little Hershey. So why don't we make one of those? So again, we take our little cap. Now we take our green clay, and we do the same as we did before. We shape it into a ball like that. We flatten it and we place it in here in the bottle cap. And then remember, since this one has like a little point, little sharp point, it looks like a Hershey, we're gonna make that here. We're just gonna twist it. We're going to shape the little point, and then we're going to kind of do a little swirl like that. And notice that this one has sprinkles. So I have some sprinkles here. It's kind of like a clay. So I'm going to put some of those on here like that. Well, this one has a lot of them. But that's how you make your sprinkled Hershey looking pie like that. Okay, so now you must be asking yourself, what does she need the Desinix for, the powder? Well, right now I don't have brown clay, which I would need so that I can make some type of chocolate cake. But if I had chocolate cake, I would put powder on it, and this is what it would look like. Okay, this is actually from one of those caps from soap. You know, I painted it in brown, made it like a chocolate cake, and I sprinkled it. You know, when it's fresh paint, the powder will stick to it. But this is an old one from my other bakery. But I want to get some brown clay so I can do that. So this is the way those that we made are here. And then there's also this one. This one's like a little banana pie with sprinkles and cherry on top. So we could make one of those too. So you take your cap, you take your yellow clay, you shape it to a ball like a coin. You place it right in there, flatten it up, and then remember this one has red in the middle, right, like a cherry or raspberry. So this is where my Sharpie pen comes in. So all you have to do is this, okay, and it starts looking like either raspberry or a cherry. Okay, just like you would have a jelly donut. Okay, so now we're going to add sprinkles just like this one. So we want our white little sprinkles on top right here. So here we got another one. See, so now this is just another one. So that's how it's made, and you can use any type of toothpaste. Some come in like a blue color, so you can, like that one. You see that yellow one right there? You see a little bit of blue? That was toothpaste. And you can do the same with the glue. You can use it as glaze, right? Frosting, white frosting on top of your miniature cakes and pies. So that's it. That's how I made this. So stay tuned for my new bakery coming soon. And thanks for watching.